Hi everybody, today I'm showing this fast alien. Using a sponge loaded with metallic silver paint, I'm going to apply some background color on my forehead first. Then I'm going to paint an oval shape for the alien's head using green paint on a round brush. And for all details and line work, I'll be using a round brush loaded with black, starting with the alien's mouth, painting two big black eyes, his angry brows, outlining his head, a black lightning bolt coming from his chin, and one on each side of his head, some white dots and highlights in his eyes, some highlights to the brow line, the top of his head, and the top of the mouth, and the lightning bolts. And for interest, I'm going to add this cool stencil that has dots that cascade from small to large. And to finish, some white dots in groups of threes, placing them around the lightning bolts and on the side of the head of the alien. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.